In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed ConvertKit form into WordPress. So as you have noticed, you can head over to kit.com. This is because ConvertKit has been rebranded as Kit. So you can head over and sign up by clicking on this start free trial. It has no credit card required. Or if you already have an account, just click on this login option that we can see right here. Once you have successfully logged in, you can actually access your dashboard. Next thing, head over to WordPress and proceed to sign up from there as well. Click on this Get Started right here or log in right here if you want. Now here is my dashboard on Kit. So head over to Grow, click on this landing pages right here, and you should be able to find in here some forms that you can actually utilize. For example, I have in here this popular form, or you can also create a new one if you would want. So for example, let's create a new one. Let's choose in here form. And for example, let's choose in here the inline form and choose in here the actual form that you want to use. I'll choose in here this spine. Now, once you have done that, you can actually just edit it according to your liking. So in there, let's click onto this embed option that we can see right here. Now, as you can see, when you click on WordPress right here, you can actually just head over and then install the Kit WordPress plugin. So if you have a paid WordPress account, you can head over and utilize this. But if you have a free account, just use this HTML option and click on copy. Once you have done that, head over right here to your WordPress. Search in here for the blocks and search for HTML. Add it wherever you want to put it. I'll put it right around here. And then just paste right here what we have copied. Click on Preview, and as you can see, here's our form. You can just proceed to save this right here. So that's how you embed ConvertKit form into WordPress. Hope we helped.